Hello students, welcome to English class. I am your English teacher. Respected viewers, kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and do not forget to like the video. Students, today we are going to learn the poem number 1.4, Children are going to school. So students, we all love going to school, especially if school is in the morning. We all know the atmosphere of the morning is very beautiful and pleasant. And if we go to school in such a beautiful and pleasant environment, then we get great pleasure, as the golden sun and cool breeze of the morning being to be breathtaking. In this poem, we will learn about such students who are going to school in such a pleasant environment in the morning, and what they feel and see on the way to school is very beautifully mentioned in this poem. Morning light spread over the earth. Once again the sky bows his head in respect, for children are going to school. The sun, after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. So students, every morning when the sun comes out and its golden rays come to the earth, it seems that the sky stands and bows his head with respect to the children who go to school. The sun has also come out by taking a morning dip in the river, and it's wearing a golden colored cloth or golden colored chola, and on one side of the road he stands smiling for the children who go to school. It tells us that nature also respects those children who go to school, children who study and grow up with good values. So this only shows us that if we want to be respected by nature, then we have to go to school and study and grow up with good values. Though the green-topped branches, breezes sing their songs of blessings, fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people, in his lush deep foliage, wave his hands, for children are going to school. So students, from this stanza we understand that lush green trees stand on both the sides of the road, and the song of small birds are heard from the branches of such green trees. It seems that they are singing the song of blessings. In the morning, fragrance comes from the fragrant flowers and spread all the way. It seems that these fragrances are awaking the roads from their sleep by their very beautiful and sweet fragrance. This is very beautiful and captivating scene. In the corner of the road, the peepal tree stands, whose leaves are very fresh and green, and when the peepal leaves are shaken by the cool breeze of the morning, it seems that the peepal tree stands in the corner of the path, waving its hands for the children who go to school. Again, this is what we understand here. People doing good work get respect from nature. If we are to be respected in society, then we have to do good deeds. Angels of light have set out. Every road is a gleam at this hour. Every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time, sitting on an old roof, flies pigeon in the sky, for children are going to school. Translated from बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं by Nida Fazli. So students, from this stanza we understand that light of morning sun is very beautiful and golden. It seems that angel of light have landed on the earth, and every single road is glittering through their golden rays. The atmosphere in the morning is so captivating that every particle of the earth is beating like the heart of a mother. And this beautiful environment makes the mind very happy. It seems that time is sitting on the roof of the house in such a beautiful environment and is resting. Beautiful pigeons are flying in the sky. All these beautiful views are for the children who go to school. So students, we learn from this poem that every part of the nature stand everywhere on the road to honor those children who go to school. So students, this is your homework. Read a poem aloud and write it down into your notebook. Thank you for watching this audio-visual presentation.